Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to solve the multiplication of two digits within a seconds. Okay, so take any number. For example, I am going to take 1, 2, multiply by 1, 3. Okay, now I am going to multiply these two numbers. Okay, so in this multiplication there is one trick which you have to follow. Okay, तो सबसे पहले what we have to do, we have to multiply these two numbers and write it down over here. Okay, then 2 multiply 3 is 6. Leave one place. Okay, now multiply these two numbers. 1 3s are 3. Now multiply these two numbers. 2 1s are 2. And add both of the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. This is your answer. This question is for you. Solve it and comment, please. Comment. Thanks for watching.